Now I am going to discuss about transformation of energy. Okay, energy exists in many different forms. One form of energy can be changed into another form. The change of one form of energy into another form is known as transformation of energy. So here a very important law given by the scientists, that is law of conservation of energy, that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be changed from one form to another form. That is you are going to study, that is transformation of energy. One energy get changed into another form. Okay, so for example, see in figure 3.12, a ball held at a height has only potential energy. When the ball is released from a height, the potential energy of the ball is gradually transformed into kinetic energy. Okay, when this boy hold the ball at a certain height, it only possesses potential energy because it is stable over there. But when it throw this ball, then it converted into moving object and it possesses kinetic energy. So you can see potential energy get converted into kinetic energy. Okay, in this figure, a swing is an example of converting kinetic energy into potential energy and back into kinetic energy. Okay, when the swing is stopped, it possesses potential energy. When it is start moving, it converted into kinetic energy. When it again is stopped, it possesses potential energy. Okay, another example, a high dive is an example of transferring potential energy of the diver into kinetic energy. Okay, now next is energy transformation at a hydroelectric powerhouse. Okay, how hydroelectric powerhouses use this concept of transformation of energy. See, water stored behind the dam has lot of potential energy, but as such this potential energy is of no use to us. If however this water is allowed to fall from its great height, the potential energy of water changes into kinetic energy. This kinetic energy of the falling water is used to drive huge water wheels or turbine, which are connected to electricity generator for producing electricity. Okay, when the water is hold behind the dam, it possesses potential energy because it has a certain height, right? It has certain height. Now after that, when it got moved, it moved the heavy turbines. You can see in this diagram also, it was shown in this diagram. See how the dam water coming down and the turbine is getting rotated and electricity get produced. Okay, so how the energy get converted over here, potential energy into kinetic energy, then into electrical energy. So this is the transformation of the energy in hydroelectric powerhouses. Now next is energy transformation at a thermal powerhouse. How thermal powerhouse work? At thermal powerhouse, coal is used to produce electricity. When coal is burned, the chemical energy of coal is changed into heat energy. This heat energy converts water into steam. The high pressure steam turns the steam turbine, changing the heat energy into kinetic energy. The turbine run electricity generators which convert kinetic energy into electrical energy. Thus, at a thermal powerhouse, chemical energy of coal is changed into heat energy. Okay, which is further converted into kinetic energy. So how it is work? Chemical energy, like coal contain the chemical energy, then it converted into heat energy. Heat energy get converted into kinetic energy, and kinetic energy converted into electrical energy. As you can see in the diagram, when the coal is heated, steam produce, steam move the turbine, then power generation occurs over here. Okay, chemical energy, coal possesses the chemical energy, steam possesses the heat energy, turbine possesses the kinetic energy, then it converted into electrical energy by the power generation. Okay, I hope you get this. If you have any problem, then please tell me. Okay, now next is using energy converters. See how many energy converters we have. First of all, we have electric motor. A motor convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Okay, be very careful about this topic because it contain a very good questions from it, and I will definitely give questions in the exam, so be very careful. Okay, electric motor convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Generator, A generator is the reverse case of an electric motor. A generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Electric iron, an electric iron convert electrical energy into heat energy. Okay. Electric bulb, an electric bulb convert electrical energy is first converted into heat energy and then into light energy. Radio, electrical energy causes the diaphragm is in the speakers to vibrate and produce sound. So a radio first convert electrical energy into kinetic energy and then into sound energy. Next is car engine. Car engine convert the chemical energy of petrol into heat energy and then into kinetic energy. Okay, these are the transformation of energy which occurred by the energy converters. Okay, next is steam engine. In a steam engine, heat is used to boil water and obtain steam under high pressure to turn the shaft and drive the wheels. So a steam engine convert heat energy into kinetic energy or mechanical energy. Cell or battery, a cell or battery convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Okay, now solar water heater, it convert light energy into heat energy. And what about gas stove? It convert chemical energy into heat energy. Okay, and the next is, as I told you earlier also, law of conservation of energy. What does it law state? Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be converted into one form into other form. Okay, now next is conservation of energy in a simple pendulum. I will discuss this in my next video. Thank you everyone.